I'm Al Casella.
My name is Bob Hesse.
My name is Richard Rutinsky.
Hi, my name is Paul.
Hi, I'm Carmen DeStefano.
Hi, my name is Ben Tompkins.
My name is Bartolo Gonzalez.
Hey, Stefan Sierra.
My name is Carmen Williams.
Anthony Fabian.
Hi, my name is Eric Peterson.
Christopher Wright.
Today on Veterans Day, we pay tribute to the extraordinary men and women who serve this great country in uniform.
I work in service at MarineMax, Pensacola. I served 4 years in the United States Air Force.
And I served in the United States Navy from 1987 to 1991 aboard the USS Constellation CV-64.
I'm a retired colonel in the U.S. Army. Spent 25 years.
9 years in the Air Force.
Currently United States Navy Reserve. Joined in 2018. I'm a second-class petty officer.
I served for the Marine Corps. I was a machine gunner for 4 years, from 16 to 20.
I served in the U.S. Navy for 4 years from 2003 to 2007. I was fortunate enough to spend 2 years in San Diego, California, and also 2 years in Bremerton, Washington.
I was a sergeant in the Florida Army National Guard between 2014 and 2020.
And I served in the Army. I served for 12 years from 2004 to 2016.
U.S. Army, 1988 to 1996.
I served with the U.S. Army back from 2006 to 2010. I was an artillery mechanic.
United States Marine Corps. I spent 25 years in the Marine Corps as a helicopter crew chief on CH-53s and also as a career recruiter.
What Veterans Day means to me are all the great friends and people that I met along the way, working together, and the sacrifices that they made to keep this country free.
It's a chance to recognize and honor all our veterans for their sacrifices they've made. So hey, on November 11th, take time out of your day to say thanks. Better yet, shake a veteran's hand and tell him how much his service and sacrifice means to you. And don't forget to say same thing about his spouse, because she or he made equal sacrifices on the home front.
The military has really given me a sense of pride and accomplishment, knowing that I served our country and went through some of the things that we saw. The proudest moment that I had was when we went to Pearl Harbor and manned our rails pulling in. I think going through the memorials and having everyone clap as we went by was really something I'll never forget.
Don't regret my time in the service at all. It was a great experience and I learned a lot of life lessons.
I did it to be a part of something that was bigger than myself. I enjoyed all 8 years of my tenure there, and I would gladly do it again.
And the reason why I served was because I wanted this country to be a better place for my children.
I served in the Army to make life better for all Americans and keep our freedom as it is.
It was definitely a good experience to enlist. Veterans Day to me is just a celebration for everyone that served and came back.
Veterans Day means a lot of bonding and recognition of prior service members, and also that recognition piece is the recognition from our civilian population to recognize those that have served.
What Veterans Day means to me is it means freedom, it means sacrifice, and it means honor. I just personally like to thank all of those that served, all those that were injured, and all those that gave the ultimate sacrifice. Thank you.
And Veterans Day to me is that special time where me and my fellow shipmates got to serve our country and are still serving, and it just makes me really proud.
Veterans Day means honoring you, our military, who have served and are serving and who will serve. You're the backbone of this nation, and I appreciate you greatly, and I'm sure our whole country does. So thank you, and have a great Veterans Day.
We celebrate their service, sacrifice, and bravery, and thank them for carrying the torch of freedom for us all. On behalf of our entire team at MarineMax, thank you for your service, and God bless America.